So I noticed this gap in our garage door as it goes down. And so I decided to play with some stencils. This is white melamine, and I've basically etched out the black to make it what's the right word? The black to make the contrast. I took these hard drive magnets and hot glued them to the back so that when you put this up, it just stays where you put it. And here's it. It's kind of cool. A little bit of Frankie. Anyway, so the idea that they're just white melamine that's been etched to be a two-color stencil. So you got little Dracula. So the idea was to put a couple of black lights up here on the eave and have them pointed down at the Halloween decorations. That way the parts that are white will glow. Whether that actually works or not, I guess time will tell. I'm getting those black lights on Tuesday. We'll see. In the meantime, I don't know, they're a little dark, but has potential. Could be cool. Anyway, that gap that I told you about earlier, as long as you fit within this 1 inch, or 1 foot 9 inch gap between the seams here and down here, that space is 1 foot 9 inches. As long as you fit in that space, you get, it folds right up into the roof every time you open there's a possibility, I guess, that they'll get stolen if somebody's willing to risk a misdemeanor to take one of these signs. I guess that's proof that it's a good concept. I guess we'll see how that goes. Anyway, happy Halloween, everyone. That's what I'm working on.